welcome to Sohaila's Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to share with you how to make your own Chipotle burrito bowl at home, and it is very easy, very delicious, and it is very fun for the whole family, especially for the kids. This can be a very good weekend treat for the kids and for your whole family. I am sure everybody's going to love and enjoy this. I'm going to be making an easy chicken burrito bowl, and I'll show you how to make the chicken, how to make the beans, and show you how to make the rice for this. So I hope you join me, and I'll be back and show you how to make this delicious and easy Chipotle burrito bowl. Thank you so much for joining me today. back. Here's our delicious chipotle at home, and as you saw, it was not difficult to make this at home, and you can make this as healthy as you want to, or it's up to you if you can make it as unhealthy as you want to. So you choose your ingredients, and you choose your toppings, and you choose your rice and meat. You choose to have it organic or non-organic, so it's all up to you. And it is very fun, as I mentioned earlier, very fun to do this, and my family loves this. My kids enjoy this all the time, and I have to admit, adults too, including myself, I love this. As you saw, I made brown rice and white rice, basmati rice. So today I'm going to try the brown rice. I made the white rice for my kids, so I love the brown rice, and I'm gonna, the beans are very good looking, and they're very, very tender. So I'm gonna have some chicken, some vegetables, just the way that I make my bowl when I go to Chipotle. In this bowl, I cut some tomatoes, onions, and cilantro, and I mix them all in together. Here's guacamole. This is homemade guacamole. I have a video on this, and I think guacamole was one of my first videos. So I'm going to leave the link up here and in the description box down below, in case you haven't seen that video. And I have some sour cream. This is store-bought sour cream. This looks amazing. This looks very delicious. I can't wait to try some. So let me taste some. Absolutely amazing. I love the chicken. It is very tender, very juicy. I like the vegetables with it, and the beans are very nice, very soft, and the flavor is just perfect. I like the brown rice. The brown rice is very nutty. The way that I made it with the broth, with the chicken broth, it gives it a very good taste, and it tastes like regular rice. And make sure to soak this before you cook it, and also with the beans, as I showed in the video. And I already talked about my guacamole. I have the link. I will leave the link up here for you guys. Everything looks fantastic, and everything looks very delicious. This is very very fun. As I mentioned several times, this is really good. Try it. That's all for today. Let me know if you have any suggestions, questions, comments in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. Love you all. Goodbye.